Okay guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is my ever first YouTube video, and I would want to do a brief top-down analysis on EURUSD because that's one of my favorite pairs I love to trade. Okay, so we'll do a very quick top-down analysis that's going to cover probably for this week and next week and into the month of November, because this is October. All right, let's get down into action. Okay, so we'll start from our weekly time frame just to get a bigger direction and a bigger picture. So we'll go to our weekly time frame. Okay, so on our weekly time frame, EURUSD has been making bullish movements. If we come right down to this section from February 2025, EURUSD has been in an uptrend, making bullish directions. So price kept on making that's higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher low, and price failed to break above this level to continue. So price made an equal highs, made a brief breakout on the trend, and now we're expecting a retest. Okay, so we'll scale down to our D1, that's our daily time frame, to get a brighter picture on the direction and to get a clarity on our entry. Okay, so on our daily time frame, price has gradually be making bullish movements, higher highs, higher lows. So we made a breakout on the trend, okay, and we saw a retest, because when price broke out we saw a retest, right? We saw a retest. So we'll be expecting a continuation in the down movement, right? We'll be expecting a continuation in the down movement. Okay, so if you look closely right here, price made very good bearish movements, especially this good candle right there, especially that very good candle. Price has been making bearish movements. Okay, so if we go down to this section, we'll notice that the market has been very weak, right? If on this part, the candles that EURUSD has been making has been very weak. This signals that the buyer or the sellers are in competition. They are in competition with each other. There has not been a proper candle. The candles have not been that healthy. They have not been healthy. The bullish guys have been trying to push price up, but the bearish guys end up bringing it down and closing it. So if we look closely, as in the past few weeks, EURUSD has just been making unhealthy candlesticks, which now would signify that the market is in an indecision, right? It's signifying that price may likely reverse to the downside, right? Price may likely reverse to the downside. Okay, so let's scale down to our 4 hours time frame to get a better picture on where we love to be getting our entry. Okay guys, back again on our 4-hour time frame. Okay, so on our 4-hour time frame, we now have a picture that price may likely move in a bearish direction, right? price may likely sell massively on EURUSD. So now for our confirmation, what we noticed on EURUSD was that price formed a continuation chart pattern, which signifies that price would want to continue in the previous bearish movement. Okay, so if we notice here, price made a rising wedge, right, which it's signifying that price will continue in the previous direction, that is bearish, right? Price kept on making, touching the trend lines, making a very nice rising wedge. Okay, so we came here and touched the trend line, got rejected, moved up, creating equal highs. So we'll be expecting price to make a drop, at least probably a drop right here. Yes, we'll be expecting price to make a drop. Yes, we'll be expecting price to make a drop, a good drop at that level. So our first take profit will be at this level, at this minor support level, That was where we're going to be taking our first take profit. Okay, so now if we look more into the picture, there's going to be also another confirmation that this market is going to be bearish. We're going to be super bearish on EURUSD for the coming weeks, 2 weeks, 1 month. We're going to be bearish on EURUSD. So this is a short trade that I will encourage all traders to watch closely on EURUSD and find your entries according to your strategies, and keep an eye on EURUSD. Okay, so EURUSD will be bearish. It's going to make bearish movements to this minor resistant level. So this is where we love to take our first take profit, right? So now, like I said, I noticed a confirmation on our Fibonacci retracement level, the zone between 50% retracement and the 61.8 retracement level, known as the golden level, right? Okay, so we'll draw our Fibonacci and we'll pick it from the the swing high, as a recent high, down to the previous low. Okay, so now price came and got rejected at the zone of 0.61.8 retracement level. Price tapped into the 50 level like we saw here, and price could not hold it, right? So which means our next level target is the 0.61.8 level. Now if we notice that at that level that price formed an equal highs, that's a double top at that level, now that's going to signify that yes, this is a confirmation that price will be bearish, at least for the first movement. Our first take profit will be at this level, this minus 0.27 extension. This is where we're going to take our first take profit, right? This is going to be our TP, first TP, and let's check out the movements the pips will be getting. So wow, that's crazy. So approximately we want to bag 100 110 pips, approximately 100 pips from this trade. Okay, so we want to be getting at least 100 pips from this trade. Okay, so then from there, if price is able to break this level, then we'll continue riding the bearish trend, which I will update you once market moves. I'll come back and update you guys. So thank you once again, fam. I really appreciate you, and make sure you do stay safe in the market, and make sure you always stay patient, right? Always stay patient. You always need to confirm with your strategy. Do not go ahead and enter the market when your rules haven't played out. Okay, so I'll be ending this video right now. Okay, so just have it at the back of your mind that Euro USD is going to be bearish for the next few weeks, right? And our first TP is going to be at this level, right? At this level, our first TP is going to be at this level, this minor support level. So when we have a break of this level, we'll have to have a retest and keep going down, and but then I will update you guys on our trade. I'll update you guys on our trade, on our analysis. I'll give an update. So thank you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this, sharing my view on currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP, JPY, BTC, and the rest. So thank you guys once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay updated on this channel. Thank you.